The Middle East and the wider world have held their breath since the killing of two top leaders of Iran's allies, Hezbollah and Hamas. While confirming that Hamas's political chief Ismail Haniyeh was killed by Israel using a short-range projectile launched from outside of his accommodation in Tehran, Iran has vowed to avenge Haniyeh's assassination, warning Tel Aviv would receive a severe punishment at the appropriate time, place and manner. It added that Israel was supported by the US in the attack.
این وظیفه ماست که در وقت مناسب و جای مناسب این عکس العمل رو داشته باشیم. این برای ما بسیار تلخ است که مهمان عزیز ما در خانه ما به شهادت برسه و ما رو داغدار و عزادار دوران بزن و در رو تمام شده. این رو ما در عمل نشان